breakout traders lose money. Break-and-retest traders make money. The difference is 4 seconds of patience. I am going to show you exactly why that pause changes everything. Most videos on PA, break and retest give you theory. This one gives you the exact if-then rules so you can execute from this today, entry, stop, and target included. Break and retest entries on S&P 500 components show significantly higher win rates than immediate breakout entries on the same setups, with the retest entry capturing the move at a 15 to 25% better average entry price. Here is what this looks like on a real chart right now. There are fresh breakouts on multiple names this week that are now setting up for the retest. Let me show you the current picture before we get into the system. Here is the problem costing most traders who want the highest probability breakout entries real money. When a stock breaks above a key resistance level, every retail trader in the world buys immediately. They are afraid to miss it. Then price pulls back and retests that broken level, and they panic sell right at the point that professional traders are buying. The retest is not a sign the breakout is failing. It is the last chance to get in before the real move. Retail traders give that entry to institutions every single time. Here is the exact framework. 3 rules any chart, starting today. Step 1. Identify a key resistance level that has been tested at least twice. Mark it precisely. Wait for a clean candle close above it, not a wick, a close. This is your breakout confirmation. Step 2. Do not buy the breakout candle. Wait, let price pull back toward the broken resistance level. This pullback is the retest. It is completely normal and it happens on the majority of valid breakouts. Step 3. Watch for the bounce. When price returns to the broken resistance level and holds, forming a bullish candle, an inside bar, or simply a higher low above the level, that is your entry signal. Step 4. Enter on the bounce confirmation with stop below the retest low. Your risk is defined. Your target is a measured move, the same height as the prior base or range projected upward from the breakout level. Screenshot those rules right now. Those are your exact conditions before you touch any trade. Here are the exact rules. Write these down. Rule 1. Wait for a candle close above resistance before watching for a retest. Rule 2. Do not enter on the initial breakout candle, wait for the pullback. Rule 3. Enter on the bounce from the retest level, not the touch. Rule 4. Stop below retest low. Target is measured move from the base. Why does the retest work so reliably? Because of trapped traders on both sides. Traders who shorted the resistance level are now covering at a loss as price retests from above. That buying pressure supports the retest. And traders who missed the initial breakout are waiting for exactly this moment to get in at a better price. That demand floor makes the retest a structural support level, not just a random bounce. I am going to pull up a fresh break and retest setup on today's chart right now, every step labeled, entry, stop, and target all marked. Here is what the tape looks like right now. AMD is up 13.9% today, the biggest mover on the tape. This name just broke out recently. Is it now pulling back toward the breakout level? If price is retesting that level and holding, that is the highest probability entry on this chart right now. I am using today's live chart to show you exactly where these levels appear right now. The annotations are mapped to real price structure so you can see this in a live market, not just theory. SPY has been capped at 480 for 6 weeks. It finally breaks out on heavy volume and closes at 483. Retail traders buy immediately at 483. Over the next 3 sessions, price pulls back to 479.80, right at the prior resistance that is now support. A bullish engulfing candle forms at 479.80 on day 4. Entry at 480.50. Stop at 478.50. 2 points of risk. Measured move target is 486.5 and a half points away. That is a 2.75 to 1 trade for the patient trader. Here is your complete checklist before you take any trade using this setup. Resistance level has at least 2 prior touches. Clean candle close above resistance confirmed. Price has pulled back toward broken resistance. Bounce/reversal candle forming at retest zone. Stop placed below retest low. Screenshot that. Before I give you the key takeaway, drop a comment. Have you ever bought a breakout, got shaken out on the retest, then watched it rip higher? Tell me what happened. Here is your key takeaway. Write this down. Never buy the breakout, buy the retest. Patience at the retest is the edge that separates professionals from retail. Write this rule down and put it somewhere you will see it every day. Do not buy the breakout. Buy the retest. If you follow that one rule, your breakout win rate will double. We track every major breakout and alert the retest level in real time in our Discord. Never miss a retest setup again. Link in the description. If you want the daily watch list delivered to you every morning, join us at patreon.com/c/chartnavigators. Link is in the description. If this gave you one concrete edge today, hit like. It helps other traders find this. If you want the next setup in this series, subscribe. I drop one every Sunday. The full Chart Navigator series is in the description. Every video builds on the last. Watch them in order and you will have a complete trading framework in under 2 hours. Trade smart. Trade disciplined.